Actually, kanina umaga inisip ko kung paano yung strategy ba ang gagawin ko, pero isip ko na ang importante talaga this Philippine Athletics Championship is to, of course, matapos yung laro ng walang injury, ligtas. At the same time, syempre, manalo gold. So, mas pinili ko na i-secure yung gold kahit na, kasi I was thinking kung I will break away ba or I'll just follow the lead and then mag-abang na ako. Yeah. I'm hoping to break it this next month po sa Asian Under-23 sa Ordos, China. Yeah. I think physically okay naman, like wala naman ako naramdaman na sakit or negative effect because of this event and after the event. So I think masaya ako kasi natapos na yung yung event ko. I'm planning to break it sa mga international competitions po, sa mga higher level na competitions. Sabi ko, one step at a time. Dati UAAP lang. And then SEA Games. Gratefully, I won the gold in the last SEA Games sa Thailand. And sana, podium muna. Podium sa Asian Games. Kung pala rin.